Yo, have you ever wondered about how much YouTube paid small content creators or YouTubers who don't earn huge numbers? They get views like 200 views, 300 views. In this video, I'm going to show you how much YouTube paid me for just 200 views, and this will blow your mind. So without wasting much of your time, I'm your boy, Andy Finer. Follow me and stick with me to the end of this video. Yes, this in my hand is an iPhone 6s Plus. You know you can buy this same iPhone from different shops with different prices. That's how YouTube works. Yes, you can buy the same phone from different shops with different prices. That's how YouTube works, because you can have 200 views and your audience are from countries like United States, United Kingdom, or even European countries. If you earn even 200 views from these European countries, the probability for you earning high is better than those earning getting 1k views, 10k views, and their audience are coming from somewhere like Indonesia, Africa, and even India. And in this video, I had just 200 views, and the amount I earn in this video, I just want you to just watch it for yourself. I got 289 views on this video. The traffic source, YouTube recommendation, I got 227 people saw this video through YouTube recommendation. And channel pages too, I had 27 people saw this video through channel pages. And YouTube search too, I had 11 people saw this video through YouTube search, and the others too was 6 and 16. Audience retention too, I had 1 minute 14 seconds. That was the audience retention. I mean, it was above the typical. This video had 15.1k reach. Here is the average duration. The average duration, the whole video was around 2 minutes 40 seconds long, and the average duration that people watch was 1 minute 14 seconds. Return viewers, people who have already subscribed to this channel that return to watch this video were 27. I mean, most of my audience are around 18 to 24 years, so 100% of my audience who watch this video are in the middle of 18 to 24 years. Top geographics, where people watch my video from. This video in particular, I had 14.9% of my viewers coming from the United Kingdom, and that makes a huge difference with the monetization or the payment. And 10.7% also came from Ghana, and 3.8% also came from India. And I mean, the 14.9% was a key factor in how much I earned from this video. Advertisers pay $85.80 for every 1k views. So that was how advertisers paid for this video, and revenue for every 1k views was $19.28. So looking at 289 views, I was paid $5.57 for just 285 views. So this was how much I was paid for just 289 views on YouTube. So don't waste time. Make sure you also get yourself and get something started. Start with something. Looking at me now, my passion is football, and if you look at my channel, mostly I talk about football related issues. Yes, thank you for sticking with me to this far. I really appreciate your time. I know this video has motivated you, so you are also going to start your YouTube channel, and I wish you all the best in your journey. Till we meet in another video. Bye bye for now.